Hello crypto warriors, welcome back again to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to review your crypto project. But before, this video is not for any financial advisors and I am not a financial advisor. So let's start. Alright, in this video I'll discuss about this project that is potential or not, like everything. Hope you guys give your valuable times. Now, as you can see the website interface in my screen now, and the project name is Community Inno. So, what is Community Inno? Where you can see like the world-based community, and in the upper section you will get about ecosystem tokenomics, roadmap, their theme, their stake, and the audit report. Obviously, they have a game, so obviously you can check it out for yourself. I think it's not coming yet, or obviously whatever, you can check it out for yourself. Now, Community Inno is a decentralized tokens. It is peer-to-peer digital currency and an open source project. Obviously, you'll get the contact address in there, and obviously also you'll get the social links. So obviously you can check it out for yourself. About Community Inno, like what is Community Inno? It's a decentralized tokens and it is a peer-to-peer digital currency and an open source project. They aim to revolutionize the digital world for CTI and its ecosystem. Community Inno to make money more accessible, convenient, also and swift transaction possible. Obviously, if you need to read more, so obviously here you can see something more about this project. Now, buy CTI token. Like here you can see the information and it will guide how you can buy CTI token. Also there are NFTs which is already available on Binance NFT. So obviously you can check it out. There are NFTs from Binance. The ecosystem. They have a huge ecosystem as a meme coin, I think so. Because the token is decentralized, NFT collections, and they have something about the play to earn games and paid travel games with CTI. So obviously here you can see more information about this type of information, like you can pay CTI and you can travel in worldwide. Like here you can see the place as an example. And obviously if you need to more information about it, so explore limited unique like NFTs. Like here you can see our information about that, like which is amazing. CTI NFT collections. Like Community War is a blockchain based game that use NFTs and represent different NFTs characters. Each character has its own unique characteristics, meaning you could end up with a champion installations like here you can see, or perhaps your character is better equipped to be a star. So obviously where you can see the collections. Now, play to earn game information you will get, like goal of Community Pool Club. Like the goal is of the project to create a decentralized blockchain-based pool game that can be played on the web. Player will participate in PvP, like player versus player matches with using cryptocurrency. Like holders of the NFTs will incentivize access to in-game privileges, and the objectives of Community Pool Club are. So you can see something more information about their pay to earn game, so obviously you can talk for yourself. Now, the tokenomics here you can see guys, like the 12% which will get on fair launch, they have 18% which is on like IEO. Also you can see something more about this project, like team and founder which is 15% and 30% like available for next year. I don't know why 30% is available for next year, I don't know. Now, the symbol here you can see Bytex 0, Syntax 0, so obviously there's an amazing impression as a project. The declaims 9, and obviously here you can see the white paper, so obviously you can check it out the white papers. And obviously we should read the white paper if we need more information about this project. Yeah. So here you can see the roadmap, like stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. First year, October 2023 and October 2024, they will do like circulation supply in only 1 million CTI and out of 7 million CTI. Guys, they have so limited supply, like I think it's on like 8 million supply they have only. In the stage 2, November 2024 to November 2025, they will do like an additional 2 million CTI will be available in the market and 4 million CTI which will be long. Here you can see the third, like they will available their 4 million CTI tokens in like 2025 to 2026. Literally, this is a shit roadmap, I think. Like the roadmap is, I'm literally not impressed their roadmap. This is a roadmap, guys. This is literally a shit roadmap. I want you to say that. They are partners like DexView, Bitmark, and Binance. But guys, one thing about more about the roadmap, I think they will update it as soon as possible. I think so. Otherwise, if they just doing like that, the roadmap, so obviously it's a shit project. Otherwise, nothing. But I hope that they will change it as soon as possible. Like they will update it. All right. So here you can see the partners like DexView, Pinsel, Bitmark, and Binance. And you will get the team information. Like here you can see the NFT and blockchain expert, the digital marketing experts, and many more. Here you can see. Literally seems they are from, I think, Pakistan. Like seems their name is like here you can see. And obviously you will get all information about the team, like the LinkedIn, Twitter. You can see everything. So obviously if you have any question, directly join the Telegram community and you can contact with their team members. Now let's have a look their white paper. So it's not available at my screen. Also obviously you can tell you for yourself. Now their fair launch, which is upcoming on Pinsel, guys. So here you can see the Pinsel information you will get in the website. So obviously their sale which will coming soon. So obviously if you wanted to invest in, so obviously you can get your access in there, participate in the Pinsel. Like here you can see the Pinsel information in my screen now, and it will start after, I think it's 3 days. Like here you can see the countdown, and the software which is 25 BNBs, and they are audited at KYC. So obviously you can check it out there also. And here you can get their community introduction like zero sale tax, like experienced teams. Also they are doing they have some obviously huge marketing, so you can say that. And they have like limited supply which is 8.8 million. Literally it's amazing, right? So obviously they have some huge things, but they are okay. It's literally, I don't like it. I don't know why they are doing with their roadmap. They should be add some more like mighty things and many more. I don't know why they are doing it. So here you can see the nickel lockup time, which is 180 days after the pool ends. And here you can see the pool, like it presale started in time. You will get all information about it, and they have a affiliate program. Now let's check it on the video. So here you can see they have 8,503 followers. I don't know how to get this type of 8,000 followers. Since this project is very normal, but as I think we can say that it's a meme coin. So as a meme coin, I literally share it with you guys because we can expect 2x to 5x profit from it. But according to the roadmap, I am literally not impressed with this project. So they are really active and they are not starting their marketing, yes, but they are really active team, like as we can see things so in their Twitter. Now, as I already said that, like I'm expecting from this project, because now lots of we can say that the Bitcoin is coming in the market, but they are doing wrong. Obviously, lots of projects are coming that give us minimum 2x to 5x profit. So obviously, I'm expecting from this project 2x to 5x after their sellings. So that's it about this project. For more info, you can join their Telegram community, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more to the project's case.